Are you constantly putting off tasks and finding yourself procrastinating? It can be a difficult habit to break, but it is possible. With the right strategies and dedication, you can learn how to stop procrastinating and become more productive. In this blog post, we'll provide a step-by-step guide on how to overcome procrastination and begin tackling tasks with more focus and enthusiasm. Number 1. Define your goal. If you want to break free from the habit of procrastination, the first step is to clearly define your goal. When setting a goal, be sure to keep it realistic and specific. Think about what you want to achieve and why it's important for you. It can be helpful to set a timeline for achieving the goal so that you have something tangible to work towards. Consider what kind of time frame would work best for you and then adjust it if needed. Once you have established a clear goal, you can use this as motivation to stay on track and stay focused. Having a concrete objective will help you create an effective plan and make progress each day. 2. Make a plan. Creating a plan is one of the most important steps in stopping procrastination. A plan should include your goal, what actions you will take to achieve it, and when you will do them. Start by breaking your goal into smaller, achievable tasks. Identify each step that needs to be taken and write it down. This will help you focus on the task at hand, instead of feeling overwhelmed by the entire goal. Once you have a list of the smaller tasks, put them in an order that makes sense. Think about how they relate to one another and if they need to be done in a specific order. Once you have the tasks organized, create a timeline for each task and assign a deadline to them. Your plan should also include any resources or tools you might need to complete the tasks. If there are tasks you don't feel comfortable tackling on your own, make a note to enlist the help of a friend or colleague. By making a plan and creating deadlines, you can break your goal into smaller, more manageable pieces and track your progress along the way. This will help motivate you to keep going and ensure that you stay on track. 3. Remove distractions. One of the biggest obstacles to productivity is getting sidetracked. It's essential to identify and remove any distractions that can prevent you from reaching your goal. First, try to be mindful of where you are working. Choose a quiet place with minimal distractions. Put away your phone and turn off the TV. This will help you focus on the task at hand and avoid any temptations to procrastinate. Another common distraction is checking emails and social media. When you're feeling tempted to check your emails or browse online, remember that this can pull your attention away from the task you should be focusing on. Try setting aside a specific amount of time during the day to check emails and social media, and stick to it. Finally, if you're having trouble staying focused, try using a distraction blocking program. These programs allow you to block websites and apps while you work, helping you stay on task and get your work done faster. 4. Just start. One of the most effective ways to break through procrastination is to take action and just start. Even if you don't feel completely ready or if you're afraid of making a mistake, starting is often the best way to move forward. Sometimes, all it takes is a small action to get yourself into the flow. Once you start, your momentum will carry you through the task. Don't wait for the perfect moment or for the stars to align, just start now. To help yourself get started, break down your project into smaller chunks. This can help make the project seem more manageable and help you get started on something. You can also set a timer and commit to working on a task for only a few minutes. Chances are, once you get started, you'll find yourself working on it longer than planned. It's important to remember that when it comes to tackling procrastination, just starting is often the hardest part. Once you get going, the task becomes easier and the momentum will carry you through. So don't wait for the perfect moment, just start now. 5. Take breaks. Procrastinating can quickly become exhausting, so make sure to take breaks when you need them. Breaks allow your mind to refocus and rejuvenate so that you can get back to work with renewed energy and enthusiasm. When taking a break, try to do something unrelated to the task at hand. A quick walk around the block, a cup of tea, or an episode of your favorite show are all great ways to relax and restore your energy. It's important not to overdo it with the breaks though. Set yourself a timer for each break and stick to it so that you don't end up procrastinating again. Breaks should be used to recharge and refocus, not as an excuse to get sidetracked by other tasks. 6. Reward yourself. One of the most important steps to overcoming procrastination is to reward yourself for your accomplishments. Celebrate your successes and celebrate your progress, no matter how small. When you make a plan, make sure to set rewards at certain milestones. It could be something as simple as a break after completing a task, or it could be something bigger like taking yourself out for dinner or buying yourself a treat. Rewards help to motivate us and remind us that we are working towards something. In addition to rewards for specific milestones, find ways to reward yourself on a regular basis. This could be something as small as taking a few minutes each day to relax, or something more indulgent such as treating yourself to a spa day or a weekend getaway. Finding joy in small moments will help to keep you motivated and keep you from feeling overwhelmed by your goals. Rewarding yourself is an important part of overcoming procrastination and making sure that you are staying on track with your goals. Find small ways to reward yourself each day and larger rewards for specific milestones. This will help keep you motivated and feeling good about the progress that you are making. Even if it's hard at first, once you start changing your daily habits, you will be on track to improving yourself and quitting those bad habits that had been over you until now. Ending procrastination will help you prepare yourself for climbing the stairs of becoming your best version. If you like this video, be sure to subscribe and leave your feedback. We'll see you again soon.